On last week's episode, the super stoic Steph left us for another place. Almost 2 months she was with me, and it is time to move on. Very only hug. But enough of the sentimental rubbish. It is time for new crew.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Okay, go. We had the bilge alarm go, and I said, don't worry about that alarm, that's just us slowly sinking. Can you do that expression again?
Say what?
Yeah, we are slowly sinking. We can't help it. Okay, go. Go, Naomi, go. Keep it going, keep it going. So it's going to take a little while just to get used to it.
Straight
okay,
now?
now start turning left. Start turning left. Have you driven a truck before?
Like what kind of truck?
Like a big truck, like a...
No, I'm not a truck driver.
Okay. This is a bit cruel. She's been on the boat for like 10 minutes and now we're doing this. So straighten up, straighten up.
Alright.
Okay.
You did the same thing with me.
Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Okay, full right, full right, full right. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. I'm just going to show you what I do.
Okay.
And you try and follow.
Follow the leader?
Yeah, sort of like that.
Follow the
Okay,
leader.
so it's a bit hard today because oh, there you go. That's what was sinking again. Hear that?
Yeah, I see that too.
The bilge pump. Yeah. Don't worry about the lean on the boat.
We're
That's
about
fine.
like halfway in the water here. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's quite healthy.
Okay. Cool.
Well, all right. So,
I'm a rookie, so let me know everything.
all right. So I'll start paying attention now. If you've got like a destination island in front of you, it's great to point to it because you got a reference.
Okay.
Well, you don't have anything today, so it's a bit of a bugger.
I was just looking at the sails and maybe like, yeah, a bit at the arrow, but not at the compass.
Not at the compass.
No, I think it's too complicated.
Too complicated?
Yeah, but like the arrow is useful because you know that the tail needs to be like...
Just near that little round thing.
Yes, but you need to tell her that like if she steers right, the boat goes right, but the arrow starts going left.
Yeah.
And you didn't tell that to me last time.
Oh, you worked it out.
Our captain's doing a real good time. I'm training.
I can't explain everything. Jesus. Look at my turning. How much am I turning the wheel?
Not much.
Right. So I've got it on track and I'm just adjusting it as it starts to just deviate from course. If I start doing this, then I'm going to eventually have to go back left, which then I'm going to oversteer, and then I have to go right, and so we're going to create this huge essence behind us.
Okay.
And we're not sailing efficiently. So we just try and find the sweet spot. So, how do we find the sweet spot? Well, if you can imagine the wind is always at one direction in your face, if you can keep it like that, then the sails won't. Here, let's listen to the sail do this. What happens to the sail? I'm going to point too much into it. What's happening?
It's wobbling.
Okay, so it's flogging, right?
Yeah.
So the sail is going too much into wind, or the boat's going too much into wind.
So the wind's coming this way, and And the wind is now hitting the sail in an opposite direction.
And not the opposite, just at a bad angle. So we need to open it up so it's got more wind on it. And that's what we're doing right now. And can you hear anything?
No.
No, except for the waves. That's what we want.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want to hear that whistle.
Right. Now, come up. Can you see the front part of the mainsail? What do you notice right near the mast? Look at the sail. What's it doing? Okay, what's it doing now?
It's kind of shaking in the wind.
Okay, is it shaking now?
No.
No. So that means we're utilising the sail. But if I go too close to the wind, look at it start. See, it's starting to. See, it's just starting to pucker.
Yep.
Okay.
To vibrate a bit.
Yeah. Okay. Now, almost always it's going to be doing that because as we're going into wind, we're going up little waves and down little waves, and so it's going to change the aspect. But if it's just doing that a little bit, that's okay. If it's doing that a lot, it's not okay. And now I'm flogging the headset. So we're going to give Jay another go. Confident?
Hell yeah. Captain Scrappy in the house. I'm just gonna look to you for approval, okay?
No, just listen to the sails.
Yeah.
I'd start going a little bit more right. Do you hear it's starting to get quieter? More right, right, go right.
Okay.
Yep. More right, more right. And see, we're starting to slow down. So open up the sails, so we go right.
Yeah.
And straighten up. And start going right again because you're overturning.
Right there.
Okay, do you see that boat in the horizon?
Yes.
Right, so aim just to the right of that boat. That's a reference point.
Okay.
Now he's going to be changing his position. So there's going to be a point in time, in say 10 minutes, when it's going to be crap.
Right. It won't be a good
It won't be good.
point.
So start going right a little bit more. Okay, you're going to have to go a little bit more right.
Okay.
Do you think you've got it?
I think so.
I think so too.
I think I got the sweet spot. What do you think?
Yeah. Now what I find is when I start to talk, I start to screw it up. And
Right.
what's just happened there? Go a little bit right.
Yeah, right? Gotta stay
A
focused.
little bit more and then undo the turn by going a bit left. Okay, so keep it like that.
Oh, I feel like...
Yeah, okay. Now a little bit to the right. So it's forcing
Right, so
you.
we are like completely on one side.
Yeah, yeah. What did you notice when that gust hit?
I'm sorry?
What did you notice when the gust hit? The stronger wind. What did the boat do?
It slowed down.
No, well, not really. It heeled over,
Right.
and then it started going to the left. It started going into the wind. So when you feel the boat heeling over, you know straight after it's going to go into the wind. So you should be ready to turn right.
Okay.
If not turning right as it's happening. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Wilson, you partying last night? So, how are you feeling?
I feel alright, but my stomach sunk a little bit just from being turned on the sailboat on one end.
Okay.
But I'm okay. I just think it's good to just lay and breathe
Yeah.
and let your body adjust.
And don't go inside for too long.
No, because it's really hot inside. So
Yeah.
the fresh air is really important.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as I went inside, I actually felt way more sick.
Yeah.
I felt like, ooh.
Because I'm trying to find some good, reliable crew that are all trained up. They know all their jobs, so we can actually do the East Caribbean. So you'd have to be sailing for, you know, probably 7 to 10 days without land, right?
Right.
That's the worst scenario. Because remember all those reefs I went to when I got exiled? We can stop off at those. So instead of going 7 days to Cuba, we can do, for example, 3 separate trips and visit little reefs on the way, so we can break it up.
Right. So
it won't be so bad. So that's what I'm thinking of doing, because there's places out there, I mean, you got to see it. And the new crew wouldn't have seen it, obviously, so it'd be good to show, I reckon. Anyway, so let us know how you're feeling and speak up, because, you know, I'm not an ogre. Well, not much of an ogre.
Well, I'm a rookie, so my mom's got a boat, but she's got a boat in North Carolina, and she has a speedboat, so I'm not used to being completely turned on one side like that, so I think it's just an adjustment period.
We are at 30 degrees, or sometimes 30 degrees. So, yeah, but don't worry, the boat's not going to sink.
No, yeah.
Well, it's gradually sinking, but it's not going to sink quickly.
Yeah.
And also, one other thing I have to tell my new crew, you're not going to die, but you might get close. Okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, I love this song! Uphold for a destination.
Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around to your mates.
Hallelujah.
Hello, I am a little seasick. It is about, what, 2 hours now on the boat? How long have we been on here?
Maybe an hour.
An hour? My stomach is a little woozy. I'm a little woozy. I feel like the boat is going this way, so is my body. So all the pressure's on my head and kind of on this part of my body.
Well, that's because you're lying down.
Exactly.
If you maybe lay up your head, maybe there's not going to be so much pressure. You'd probably still be sick though.
Right, exactly. So I think it feels better to lay down.
Yeah, okay. Well, the good news is we're going to be in a nice calm anchorage in an hour.
Yeah.
And you're going to be swimming in turquoise water.
Yes.
And there's not going to be a ripple moving the boat around. It's going to be calm.
Yes.
And then
That is good news.
if we go sailing tomorrow, you might get a little more seasick. But then after that, you're going to be fine.
Yeah, I think it's just an adjustment period, you know, just like anything.
Do you want me to get you some cushions so you can just like,
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay, hold on. Una momento. There you go.
Un momento.
Oh, what's una?
Un momento.
Un momento. Oh, well, I've been getting that wrong. That's 3 years, people. It's another glorious day in paradise. Perfect conditions. We're hard onto the window. Apparently there's a wedding. Someone's getting married, so we might be hanging around here. So we've got to head to Green Island. I couldn't do the uploads. Literally, I couldn't get any uploads done at East Lemons. So I'm a little bit concerned. So I'm going to go try the other tower. There's another tower further down, so I'll try that. Otherwise, you guys are going to be without videos. But still, you can still enjoy the day.
Where are we at?
We're almost there. We're getting in the calm now. We're starting to go downwind, so you'll notice the waves are much less. But the trouble is, when you start getting seasick, you really need it to be dead calm for you to get over it.
Exactly.
So as soon as we get there, just jump in, go for a swim to the beach, and chill out. Don't worry about. We'll do the lunch, and we might even eat on the beach.
I'm gonna be a campiona.
Campione is champion?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, campione. Is that in Italian or Spanish?
This is a sweet spot though.
Okay.
You just put the bucket between your legs and you act like you're gonna puke and put your head in the bucket. It's a sweet spot.
All right,
Takes away the
excellent.
seasickness.
That's provided you haven't been sick in the bucket in the first place.
No.
Yeah, I know, but if you
No he
had been,
vomito todavía.
yeah, if you had been, that would be
That'd be
not
disgusting.
the sweet spot.
Yeah, we'd have to wash it out.
It would actually be the acidic spot, people. And that, you know, vomit smell, which is like butyric acid smell. But okay, okay, I got to stop talking.
So I've been looking at the footage,
Yeah.
and I think maybe I'm a bit too mean to you.
Really?
Do you think people is gonna think that I'm mean?
Well,
Because I'm actually just mean to him. I'm a sweet person.
There's one way of solving that. Where's my cuddle?
Go away.
Where's my cuddle?
Go away.
Oh,
Go away.
I was trying to, you know, what do you, coerce a cuddle?
Well,
A CC, coercion cuddle.
I was really sweet with Steffi. So
Oh yeah, but who could not be sweet with Steph?
yeah, I know. She was the sweetest.
She was so innocent and sweet, wasn't
Yes.
she? And she could punch like a lion.
Yes.
Well, it's not really punch like a lion. Well,
Like a ninja.
yeah.
She was a ninja.
She was a ninja.
She was a ninja.
A friggin' ninja. You should have seen her running along rocks. Like, she was like, it was
Yeah,
barely
like a
touching
ninja.
it. Like little light steps.
No,
And
but
on the
like
logs, it was-
the time we did yoga,
Yeah,
I was so impressed.
yeah. And jumping on the dinghy, people, she just... None of this balancing and then putting one foot forward delicately. She's just...
Are you saying that I'm not delicate?
I was explaining Steffi. For the other, no comment.
Now you are being mean.
No, I just said no comment. Oh,
No
I gotta pay attention. Look, that's one way of changing the subject. Me into green, second internet area. We can't sail because the channel's directly into wind and it's only like 40 meters wide, so that's it for it today. Okay, what are you gonna do?
I'm
What are
gonna
we doing?
cook
Look at the main. What's the main doing?
vlogging.
Yeah, so what are we doing? No. Aren't we finished the sailing for the day?
Yes.
So, all right, you able to go forward and get that down? Just pay attention to what she's doing.
Can you what? No, but just that. Yes.
I'll be speaking Spanish in like 3 years, people. Top stuff. No, she's getting stuck into me straight away, which is actually what I need. You're a very good teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn.
Yeah, that's bloody good. Margarita, not so good a teacher. All right, how's lunch going?
She just
Did you take some lessons from Steffi? Steffi broke everything on the boat.
That's the first
She's
thing that
extremely
I'm breaking,
agitated at
actually.
Peter, and so she just took it all out here.
Is that ginger you were squeezing?
Yeah.
Yeah, ginger will do it too.
Yeah.
Did you
We
cut
could
the
still
ginger
use
up the
this.
fine?
We can
Yes.
still use this.
Wow.
Like
Yeah,
worries.
interesting. No, I'm not angry. Why? It's clearly
because
just.
it's new.
Yeah, well. Shit
Keep
happens.
it. We'll make it work.
Yeah, well, we'll see. We might have to employ a hammer and that other end of it.
Now listen up, you sailing into freedom, mad bastards. The f***ing numbers are in the f***ing toilet. You need to get off your lazy butts. Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around to your mates. Don't you make me come there and f*** you up.